Good morning, everybody. Patty Ann here. Hey, I have a quick tip for you today. I got this Joanne vinyl, and I am not sure it's a foil, and I'm not sure exactly what settings I should use for this. So I'm just going to open it up, and I'm going to put a piece of it on my cutting mat, and I'm going to show you how I test things. And I recommend that you do this also because I've heard so many times, so many of you saying, you wasted all this vinyl. It didn't cut right. Well, if you do this little simple test that I'm going to show you beforehand, it's going to save you a lot of vinyl. It's going to save you a lot of money. So let me get this off of here, cut a piece off, and I'll put it on my mat, and I'll be right back. Okay, I have a piece on my mat now, and let's look up at my computer, and I'll show you what I'm going to cut. So if you look up here at my computer, you'll see I have this really cute turtle. And by the way, if you're a member of our Patreon group, patreon.com/PattyAnn, this is a free SVG that you got from me just today. And also, I show you in the free video that you have secret access to how to put text around him. A really, really cool little quote that you can use for a t-shirt, a beach bag, even a beach cover-up. It would be super cute. But anyway, let me show you how now I will check this and sample it to make sure that it's going to work properly. What I always do if I'm using a new material or I'm not sure what to do, I make a test cut. So this guy's going to go right here up in the corner, but right here I can fit a little something. So what I do is I always go to the shapes tool and I get a star and I make the star really tiny and put it right up there in the corner. And what I usually do is make it a color that's not on my mat, and oftentimes I'll make it white because that's the first color that will show up when we go to make it. Watch. I'm going to change the star to white, maybe make it a little smaller. And now I'm just going to go to make it. And you'll notice the first thing that's going to cut will be the star right there, right? But of course, I'm going to cut it out of the green foil, and up in that corner, it won't matter at all. So I'm going to continue. And I've got to select my machine. I have the air. And I'm going to change my machine to custom. And actually, I almost always leave it on custom so that I have to change the material I'm using and don't forget. So I'm going to browse all materials. And it's vinyl, so I'm going to go to the vinyl category. And this was foil, so I'm going to try, do they have a foil? Vinyl foil. Let's see. Here's foil. It says matte. Mine isn't matte. Oh, here's foil. Okay, that first one right there, so I'm going to say done. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this over to my machine and cut the test. Okay, I've done my test cut, so now I'm going to weed it to see how well it weeds. And that looks like it's perfect. Let's make sure it didn't go all the way through. It did not, so that is a perfect setting for this Joann's vinyl. So if this did not work, what I would do is look back up to my screen. I would say cancel. Yes. And I would just move another one, like he's going to go right there. I would just move another star or do another star, maybe place it down here or over here, just somewhere where it's not going to hit him. And I'd say make it. And notice he's going to be in that area right there. So I can put one right here. And if I wanted to, what I could do is I would put one at the 7-1 spot right here if I know for sure that my vinyl goes all the way across. So I'm wasting a little bit of this over here, but better than to have wasted this spot or if I was doing something really big. So that's how easy it is to do a test in Cricut Design Space. All you have to do is once you have your item ready to go, just come over here to the Shapes tool, get a star, make it really small, and I always make mine white unless I have a lot of white here, and then I make it a color that's not in my image, and then I just go to make it. So that's it. Thanks for joining me. Hey, if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. Check out the links below. I've got lots of cool links below for different things that I like to use that you may enjoy trying. And I have links to my Patreon group, and I have several Facebook groups that you can join with us. So again, thanks. Bye-bye.